Hello, I'm Isaiah here with Hypochlorous, and we've just received our new shipments of the 7.5s, and we're going to go through and do an unboxing of the 7.5. So let's get into it. Right after we open up, we have our product manual here on the top. We have our controller and our power supply. This works with any type of power supply that you have or that is available to you wherever you live. As we unpack further, we have our basin, or our bin, where we'll be making our hypochlorous acid. Here with our spout and all of our instructions and warnings on the side. And then inside, let's see if we can move here. Inside our 7.5 bin, we have all of our different components for storing and using our hypochlorous acid once we've made our batch. We have our spray bottle, our test strips, our measuring spoon, our hose, and then our different plug adapters or converters for wherever you live. This is our hefty stand here for our basin. This makes it so that the 7.5 can be used pretty much anywhere. It makes it pretty durable and very rugged. We'll then go to hooking it up to the power supply. I'll turn it back this way so we can see. It's pretty simple. There's a simple plug here. So we have that hooked up. We'll then go to attaching our hose to the front on our spout. Here with our hose, simply put it in until it's locked in. And we'll exercise our valve and make sure that it is open and working. Next step is to plug in the power supply unit. If we were in a different country that used different outlets other than what we use here in the US, we would pick from one of our adapters, put it into the end of our plug here. Once we plug it in, our screen should come on here, and we'll be able to toggle through different options for what type of solution of hypochlorous acid we'd like to make, depending on what strength. So do 500, 200, and then get ready to go. So that's that. That's the unboxing of your 7.5. It's pretty simple and straightforward.